How to backup WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. To backup your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive, you need to follow these steps. First of all, open a WhatsApp onto your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. There, you want to tap the three dot at the very top right. Next, you just want to make sure to go to settings from the list and locate chats from the section. As soon as you tap on the chats button, what you need is over here you have these chats backup. You then need to go ahead and make sure to enable backup. First thing, you can include videos, you could use it during a cellular as well, or maybe through your cellular data. And after you've done that, you want to make sure to press onto the backup button, and that is basically how you're supposed to backup your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. So you could also go ahead and select manage Google storage, and you could select the particular account that you wish to go ahead and store your Google or store your WhatsApp chats. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.